What are the most important operational behavior and habits that you're seeing at the top performing plants that are and may not yet be are adopting?
Yeah, that's a very good question. It's an exciting moment because we have industrial renaissance going on in the U.S., right? And first, the companies that are embracing transformation and trying really to frame the problem they are solving for are the ones that are more successful. And why is that? Because there's a lot of technology out there, correct? So if you don't know exactly what you're solving for, it's super hard to select the technology to solve the problem, and you end up being in the situation where we call it pilot purgatory, correct? That you try then to scale, and you can't scale because you don't know exactly what you're doing. So the combination of understanding what you're doing with a technology that's most applicable for your problem is a recipe for success. And some companies are not doing, so they are just struggling, in making progress in scale.